Hello everybody. So actually this is my first video of this year, and yeah, I was planning to make some videos, but I was really low by energy. That's why I take a really long time to make actually this video. But for the first video I was thinking to make some easy project which is really simple to make and so on, because right now at this moment I'm really rusty to make videos, and I'm also rusty to make some project which requires a longer research and also longer testing. So actually that's why I choose to make some really simple project, and the project which I choose for this video is based on zinc bromide battery. But then I ask myself with which type of zinc bromide battery I will go in this project, and I was thinking to make some zinc bromide flow battery. But like I said before, the construction to make some zinc bromide flow battery requires some time, some work and testing and so on. And for this reason I was thinking to go with another type of zinc bromide battery, which is in basic some zinc bromide gravity battery. But with a little bit of research, many people's already make some videos about zinc bromide gravity battery, and again now go with this one. And then I was thinking with what cell design I can go, and actually I came up with this one. So this is some zinc bromide battery. It's almost the same like zinc bromide gravity battery, but with a little bit different setup, because in some zinc bromide gravity battery you have some cup for the housing. The positive electrode is on the bottom, the negative electrode is on the top, and everything is filled with some zinc bromide electrolyte. And then when you charge this zinc bromide gravity battery, on the bottom, which is the positive electrode, will start forming some bromide, and the bromide will form to the zinc electrode with longer charge. And also on the negative electrode will also start forming some zinc. This kind of battery also forms some zinc dendrites, but in this cell the zinc dendrites are not a problem, because when the bromide and the zinc will touch together will form some zinc bromide, and zinc bromide will dissolve into the electrolyte again. So the zinc dendrites in this case will not damage the cell. Okay, this was the basic setup of the zinc bromide gravity battery. But in this case, in my case, I use some Hedge cell design. So a Hedge cell design is in basic some two tanks which are connected together. Like so. So you have two tanks which are connected together, and in basic this one is my basic setup to make this cell, because in one tank I have some zinc environment, and on another I have some bromide environment, and then I put the negative electrode and here the positive electrode. So in basic this is the basic setup. But in this case, the connection between this tank and this tank is on the bottom. Actually, when the cell is charging, the bromide will go on the bottom, and longer you charge this kind of battery, the bromide will form to the top. And in this case, if you have some connection on the bottom, the bromide can flow to another tank. That's why I choose the system like this, but the connection between this tank and this tank is on the top, like here. So in this case, you need to longer charge this battery, that this bromide will go to the negative side. So like I said, this is my improvised Hedge cell design. I put a smaller cup into a bigger cup. So here, where is the positive electrode, is some smaller cup which I put to the bigger cup. And over here you see this hole. With this hole, the positive and the negative electrode are connected. And clearly you can see here is the positive electrode. You see some concentrated bromide, and here is the negative electrode. So actually you can see yellow colored electrolyte over here, but this is because when you charge this cell for a longer time, the bromine will rise and will escape over this hole. But this bromide is not so concentrated like this one. So you have some really good concentration of bromide, but here you have a really low concentrated bromide solution. So in basic, my design is a bigger jar and smaller jar, I mean cup. Here I have the zinc electrode, and here I have the carbon electrode, and over here I have some hole, and everything is filled with zinc bromide electrolyte. The concentration of the bromide will form over here, and over here you get some dendrites forming on the negative electrode. And this system I have over here. So the electrodes which I use, the zinc is for the negative, and some carbon rod which I found in some zinc carbon battery is for the positive electrode, and that's it. And the electrolyte is some 2 mole of zinc bromide, and the support electrolyte is some 3 mole of ammonium chloride. So actually I found some papers about this ammonium chloride supporting electrolyte, which works really good in some zinc bromide batteries. Actually in the paper says that you need to use 4 mole of ammonium chloride, but in my case I use only 3 mole of ammonium chloride. And yeah, try this 4 mole of ammonium chloride and you will see the results. Okay, so now what I need to do, oh yeah, I will connect some load. For example, I will use this, which is in basic some 3-watt LED. And it's not working. Yeah, works really great. And now I will disassemble this cell and the negative electrode, which is in basic the zinc. And you see here are some dendrites, zinc dendrites, because in this section is the hole to the another tank, and in this section is also forming some zinc dendrites. Really nice. So okay, this is the negative electrode, and like I said, a carbon rod for the positive electrode. So guys, actually I like this design, which is in basic some Hedge cell for the zinc bromide battery, and I also like this gravity cell design, which is in basic also really simple to make. But for the practical view, I will go with something like this. So this is my another battery, and this one is some modular bipolar cell design. So this type of cell design is really useful, because for more voltage you only put several cells together and that's it. If some cell will be damaged, you can replace really easily. And also with this bipolar system you will get also better power output. Really nice. So this was only for example. That's it, and we see us in the next video. Bye.